Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup without oil. First, let's explore the foundational steps for preparing your vegetables. Instead of oil, we'll use a small amount of water or vegetable broth to gently sauté aromatics like onions and garlic. This method helps release their flavors beautifully while keeping your soup light and healthy. We'll focus on building a rich taste profile through strategic seasoning and fresh ingredients. Next, we'll focus on creating a deeply flavorful broth and incorporating your main vegetables. Choose a robust vegetable broth, ensuring it's low in sodium to control the overall saltiness. Add your heartier vegetables, such as diced carrots, celery, and potatoes, allowing them to simmer and soften. Don't forget to introduce your favorite herbs and spices at this stage. They will meld wonderfully into the liquid. Now, let's talk about achieving that satisfying texture without any added fats. You can naturally thicken your soup by pureeing a portion of the cooked vegetables or by adding starchy ingredients like potatoes or a handful of red lentils. These ingredients break down during cooking, creating a lovely, creamy consistency. Simmering the soup for a longer period also helps to reduce the liquid and concentrate the flavors, giving it more body. Finally, let's add those crucial finishing touches to elevate your oil-free vegetable soup. Stir in delicate greens like spinach or kale during the last 5 minutes of cooking, allowing them to wilt perfectly. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dash of apple cider vinegar can brighten the flavors significantly. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro, and always taste and adjust your seasonings right before serving for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.